And good evening, welcome to our second attraction tonight. We are at this very, very impressive building called Ena Mills in Atherton, which is near Manchester and Bolton, and we are going into the launch of Fear Factory Live. We will see you when we come out the other side.
Stage or so, got a background and some amazing contacts in the entertainment industry, but I've always loved scare attractions. I've got friends and stuff who work, and one of our team is still currently working at Alton Tower. She'll probably get in trouble for coming up here and consulting with us. And we wanted to put all of our ideas and our creativity into making something a little bit epic and a bit different. I mean, I know there's probably some similar things, but most scare attractions, as you know, are on farms and things, which lends to so many great things. But we wanted to say, do you know what, let's take a place actually steeped in history. This place was built genuinely in 1913, and we took that, we took the story of the mill and the horrors that genuinely would happen. There'd be children who would get trapped inside the mill and trapped inside the looms and lose hands and arms and different things like that. So we took all those elements, obviously embellished it with a bit of theatrical license, and we wanted to take that. We've taken a team of some wonderful actors. Richard, our creative director, who's actually in there tonight. He wanted to be part of it, but he's a professional director, actor. He's done some stage combat and choreographed fights. We don't want to spoil too much, but there may be bits where, I know they always say to continue moving forward, but there may be bits where you stop and observe and stuff, so feel free to not be rushed. Of course, this is your period. We're probably going to split you up into a couple of smaller groups, because I think this is a very big group to send through. Feel free, if you want to go through twice, you can do once we come back out. We'll batch you through a few times. We don't allow filming within the maze experience itself.
And so, good evening. We are now walking down the 4 flights of stairs at this building, which is an old mill, to get down to the car park here at Fear Factory Live. Wow, what an absolutely incredible event for a first time event. Really a lot more theatrical than any of us were expecting. A really good storytelling about sort of children stuck in the mill and died in the mill. Some very, very unique and fun special effects. We jumped a number of times. Really engaging actors. They were a lot older. There weren't many young actors. They were all really, really involved in their parts, playing quite active parts. There was a lot of stunt work in there. Characters like moving around and being thrown around and actually sort of stunt fighting. Absolutely, for a first event, I think the guys here have done an absolutely incredible job. It's going to be open for the rest of Halloween, actually. So do come down to Fear Factory Live. Again, I can't remember where it is. It's very close to Manchester and Bolton, but do come down, give it a check it out, and I reckon you'll have a really good time. So with that, we're signing off, and we'll see you at the next event.